What's up, guys? Back with another video. I'm sorry that we ain't been doing videos a lot.
Yes.
My sister just got out.
Hey, Summer just got out of jail.
Just got out. Let's look at this car behind us.
Oh shit. Stop fucking doing that. No, you can't. Let's see. Smells like bunny piss.
Ooh, girl, I can't stand it. Ooh, you know what to do with a big fat butt. It jiggles, jiggles, jiggles. Toot, 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 toot. Alright, guys, my hair looks like shit, but you know, Eden did it, so I'm guessing it's alright.
It looks fine. Stupid.
The spotlight, though. It's me.
Dude, there's police up and down there.
Me, and yes, me and Maddie.
Probably right next to the fucking
Wait, you people been asking on YouTube if me and Maddie broke up. Yes, we are over. We are done. We
Done.
broke up.
You know how to
5
spell-
months.
Do you know how to spell over?
O-V-E-R.
Stop being stupid.
Well,
If
we
that break, I will kill you if that broke. It ain't break.
we dated for 5 months straight, and you know, I guess it's just time to split up. But that's why you got your sister there, both blue eyes.
Nuh-uh.
Go home.
Really? Ow. Can I sit up, man? On me, Summer. Gosh, dang. After
You
I
too.
approve of it.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, girl, you're riding that way. She's the only one that looks good out of me and you, Brittany.
I'm sorry, guys. We look like crap today.
Actually, I look like shit. God, I thought that was the law.
All right, guys. We're going on this main road. Alright guys, really cool. I'm stopping the video. See y'all next week. We're gonna do some challenges.